some texture. Makes them look all woolly. And I won't poke those in quite so much so that they still have the curly texture. So on the back, when we peel this off, you'll see there's lots of fibers coming through the back here, and that's exactly what you want to see. You want to see it, the nice little fluffy coat all over where you've been poking it. But there's no need to peel it off until the very end. It holds it nicer for you if you can leave it attached. Make sure this is... I might put a few darker fibers just underneath where these little sheep are going to go, just to ground them a little bit. Then you just take some of your black fiber, do a little face, little sheep face. And to do the small details, you just roll it between your fingers a little bit just to smooth those fibers, and then place them on where you want ears to go. And I might shorten his little face up here a little bit, push it back. And put his other ear on this side. And you're just going to keep poking this until it's nice and smooth all over. And that requires basically poking it with the needle all over it until all those fibers look nice and smooth. Sorry. And with this tree, I still want to open it out a little bit more. So I'm going to just pull some of these little branches out and I'll just put them across instead. That just opens it out a little bit more. Let you see the tree shape a little bit. Yeah, you're best to use your fingers rather than the needle to pull the wool around. Yes, you can snap a needle by doing too much of the heavy lifting with it. Gonna hold it up so you can see it a little bit better. See it's coming along. And I will put some ears on this little guy. These are about the right size. And then another one. And then you just do the same for the legs. Basically, you're just rolling little bits of details. Put some little black legs in for them. But that is just about it. So all these steps are what you'll use in your kits. It's really straightforward. You're just laying the wool out. You can blend colors together. You can pull the fibers into different shapes and lengths. Use different kinds of fibers, different locks. It's really straightforward. You just lay it on there. There's designs to follow in the kit, and you're just gonna poke until it's nice and smooth. This one I'll probably keep poking it for probably another 15 minutes until it's ready to be framed up, but that's all there is to it. When you are framing it, it's good to keep in mind that it's helpful to have a frame with a little bit of distance between the work and the glass, just because it allows just the colors to bounce off a little bit more freely, and it allows your more textured pieces to show some of those features off. You can also put them in hoops and have them as wall hangings. Lots of different applications for it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and thank you for stopping by. Please take a look at our YouTube channel and Facebook page, Instagram, Etsy store, and we'd be happy to help you out and answer any questions. Thanks, bye.